feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you.
My newest series where I'm going to be going over every detail of my 350Z. I'm going to go over all the major systems: aero, cooling, power, braking, suspension, interior, exterior. Everything's going to be covered in as much detail as I feel is necessary. Today, I'm just going to do a quick overview just to get everyone caught up on the car. Right now, it's making 330 horsepower and 290 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs just a little bit over 2,700 pounds. And while it looks really extreme from the outside, it's really not. It's a pretty mild build for most aspects of the car. For each of the 7 videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the specific modifications I've done to the car, what I like about them, what I don't like, and then my plans for the future. Right now, I'd say the 2 most extreme parts of the car are the carbon fiber intake system I built for it in a series earlier on the channel, and then the whole aero theme of reduced lift, reduced drag, and increased downforce in that order. It's not a big power car. The whole point is I want it to be slippery, I want it to be efficient, and I want it to be quick on its toes so that I can compete with cars that are a lot more powerful and a lot more expensive. It's set up for NASA's TT4 and ST4 classes. They have the same exact rules. One's for time attack, one's for door-to-door racing. Right now, it can compete in the time attack series. It could not compete in door-to-door because I do not have a full cage yet. That's in the future. We'll get to that later. To give you a brief history of the car, I got the car 6 years ago and it was completely stock when I bought it. Since then, it's gone through kind of a street tuner phase, to a dual purpose street and track phase, and then finally when I got the 540, which is just off camera to your left, I was able to go full track car, full race car, strip out everything and make it exactly how I wanted, no more compromises. Really the only limiting factor is budget and time. I'm extremely happy with the car. It handles really well. It definitely needs some suspension work. That's going to be the next big phase of the car, but that's down the road. Right now, I just want to enjoy it as it is, take it to the track, become a better driver, and hopefully bring you all along for that. So stay tuned for the next 7 videos. They're going to be released every other week on Saturday morning at 11 a.m. So next week will be a BMW video, but after that, every other week, it's going to be this car and this series. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below, drop some comments, and then look forward to all the details on my TT4 prepped Nissan 350Z.